Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share another healthy millet recipe, millet noodles, also called as idiyappam or ottu shavige. Along with this idiyappam, I want to share another healthy side dish for this idiyappam, banana rasayana or balehannu rasayana or seekarane, commonly used in this area. This is the combination of banana, coconut milk and organic jaggery. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of kodo millet, also called as arka or haraka in Kannada. Wash it thoroughly. And soak it in 2 cups of water for 6 to 8 hours. After 8 hours of soaking, transfer the soaked millet into blending jar and add millet soaked water. Millet soaked water contains micronutrients, so we have to grind it by using that same water. Grind it to form smooth paste and transfer it to thick bottomed pan. Now add salt to taste. Here I am using pink Himalayan salt and heat the pan. Now start stirring on low flame. For 1 cup of millet, we have to add total 2 cups of water, including the water which you have used for grinding. Stir continuously on medium flame without leaving hand. Same like other millets, kodo millet is also highly nutritious, gluten-free alkaline food with low glycemic index. It is rich with fiber, that is 9 gram %, protein, calcium, iron, folic acid, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus and potassium. Slowly the batter is getting thicker. We have to stir continuously. Same like other millets, kodo millet is also very useful in detoxifying the body, and it is very useful in acid refluxes, constipation and bloating. Because of low glycemic index, it is useful in diabetes and also for weight reduction. It is useful to reduce high cholesterol and very useful to control blood pressure. Kodo millet helps to purify blood and helps to boost immune system. It also reduces the symptoms of anemia. Now it has started separating from the sides of the pan and is just like lump. Now it is time to switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now pour some water into steamer and arrange the plate. If you have banana leaf, keep 1 piece of banana leaf in the steamer. That gives good flavor and taste to the idiyappam or shavige. Heat the steamer. When the dough is warm itself, by touching cold water, you have to make small cylindrical balls from it. The shape should be so that it should fit to your shavige machine or idiyappam machine. Like this, you have to make balls from this and arrange them in the steamer. Repeat the procedure with the remaining dough. Close the lid of the steamer and steam cook for 20 minutes. At the same time, we shall prepare the side dish for idiyappam. Select well ripened banana. You may require 8 to 10 bananas. Peel the bananas and cut them like this, 2 slits from the center, and chop them into thin slices. Repeat the procedure with the remaining bananas. Add half cup of grated organic jaggery. You can adjust the jaggery according to your taste. You can increase or decrease. and half spoon of cardamom powder and fresh coconut milk. I have already shared the preparation and the health benefits of the coconut milk in previous video. The link will be available in the description box below. Give a nice mix so that jaggery should dissolve properly. Now balehannu rasayana, healthy side dish for idiyappam, is ready to serve. Now 20 minutes over. Now millet balls are well cooked. It is time to press the balls into noodles. Place one by one millet balls in the shavige or idiyappam machine and press them. Collect it with a plate. We have to press it when it is hot itself. Once it cools down, it is very hard to press. You can use any millet of your choice. This brown color is because of kodo millet. You can see the healthy soft millet noodles or idiyappam. Repeat the procedure with the remaining balls. Highly nutritious, healthy millet idiyappam is ready to serve. Friends, try this healthy idiyappam and balehannu rasayana with your family and friends on this festival occasion. Wishing you all very happy and healthy Diwali in advance. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.